stop. Will you start over?
Dear Christy, I find you very attractive. Whenever you make that moose mating call, how does it go again? My heart sputters. Every time I see your graceless face,
It's the love letter from
my heart
Eric
burns
to
with a
Christy.
million fires.
Eric is such a dream.
Talking about fires, my Pop-Tart caught on fire this morning. It was my favorite flavor. The flavor of love. Blueberry love. Aww. Every time I see your short blonde hair, it reminds me of this movie I once watched.
Excuse me. I think you're talking about yourself.
Eric, why don't you ever write me love letters?
Every time I see your confused face and say, I think you're talking about yourself, that's when I know that you're the person for me. Whenever you laugh in Gabby's face like this. I start to cry.
Gabby
So beautiful.
But then I realized that you're not the one for me.
Because I am.
Because I like my clarinet better.
And the boner book.
Darn you, your book.
Why'd you leave?
Eric, I can take that book and rip it.
Where's the book?
And this one.
I have more fun with my boner book. He has more fun with his boner book than he has with Christy.
Look at the look at the bookmark I made Eric. Wait, Eric, show her the bookmark. You lost my bookmark? No.
Excuse me, you guys like this bird and I'm being really nice about it.
This third.